everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Upasana Taneja. So today we have another question from Math Olympiad, right? So let us see what do we have here and we will try to solve everything step by step. First we'll observe the situation and then try to make equation and everything like that, okay? So let us see. We have 5 squirrels, right? Okay. And we have one rabbit, right? Live in a magic forest. Okay. Each squirrel eats 6 cherries a day. Right. So one squirrel eats 6. So if there are 5 squirrels, they will eat 30 cherries every day. Right. Everything I am getting, I am noting that in a statement so I can use it later. Right. Okay. Each rabbit eats 5 more cherries than the mean number of cherries eaten by all 6 animals. Now, this is a statement that I cannot note down as it is. I will have to figure out the mean. I will have to see something like that, okay? And how many cherries does the rabbit eats each day? I do not know, right? I need to find out this only, that how many cherries does the rabbit eat each day, right? Okay. So let rabbit eats X cherries. I do not know how many, so X cherries each day. Okay. Now, instead of a number, we have a variable for rabbit, right? Okay. Now, we need to find out the mean, right? Let's see what mean we need to find out. Each day, rabbit eats 5 more cherries. Just stop it here. First, we will see what mean we need to find. The mean number of cherries eaten by all 6 animals. Mean we need to find out. Mean of what? Of all the 6 animals. Okay. So, how many cherries did all the 6 animals eat? If you see squirrel, they ate like 30 cherries, all 5 squirrels each day, and rabbit ate X cherries each day. So total cherries are 30 plus X eaten by all animals, right? So that means this is the mean. Okay, this statement we know. Now we know we have another statement. They say that each day rabbit eats 5 more cherries. Okay. Then the mean number of cherries eaten by all 6 animals. Okay. So whatever we say, this is mean as M. Okay. So rabbit eats X cherries. It is five more cherries and then the mean, right? So mean is M. Rabbit is eating 5 more. So if I just add 5 in mean, I will get cherries of rabbit, right? So X is equal to M plus 5. This means X minus 5 is equal to M. And what is M? M is 30 plus X divided by 6. If I multiply with 6 on both sides, what will I get? I will get 6x minus 30 is equal to 30 plus x, right? If I subtract x from both sides, I get 5x minus 30 is equal to 30 and 5x is equal to 60 if I add 30 on each side, and x is equal to 12. So rabbit is eating 12 cherries every day, right? So I hope you understood this. Whenever we get this type of question, we always need to solve it step by step so we can come on the conclusion easily, okay? So if you understand this, do visit my channel for more such questions. And if you like to solve math riddles, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in next video.